everyone, Meredith here from the Children's Museum of New Hampshire, and today I have a really fun and easy craft activity that you can do at home using just a few household items. So the materials that you will need for this craft are a piece of paper, it can be any color. I happen to have white. I like to use sticky notes because they're self-adhesive and then you don't have to use glue. Some markers, string, a stapler, scissors, and some kind of hole punch. The only one I had was a 3-hole punch, but that'll work. So today we're making a bird kite that you can make out of these really simple materials and then go outside and test and see how it flies. And it flies pretty well for a piece of paper. So here's what you do to make your own bird kite. Take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Then you want to flip it so the seam side is going down. Then you're going to take these are kind of going to make the wings of your bird. This. And so it kind of looks like this, kind of like a paper airplane. You're going to do one little staple down here to hold them in place. And then you can kind of puff these up so they look more like wings. Okay, so now it looks something like this. Okay? Then you need to make a beak and some tail feathers for your bird. So using the sticky part of the sticky note, I'm going to cut a little beak out. And then I can just stick it in there. Ah. Self-adhesive, looking more like a bird. And then you can take the other part and make some tail feathers for your bird. Just like that. Okay. All right, so you kind of look like this at this point. And then you can add some designs to your wings if you want. And the other side. And of course, your bird is flying through the sky, so they need some eyes. Okay. Right, there's your bird. And then the last thing you want to do is take your 3-hole punch, hi Bella, and do a little punch on the bottom, like that. And that is where your string will go. Okay, and then you just tie your string on, like so, and then you are ready to fly your bird kite. So I hope you have fun making bird kites and testing them outside. If you test your bird kites outside, we would love to see photos or videos of you having fun with this little craft. And we will be in touch soon with more fun activities to try at home.